Alright you guys, so for this asymmetrical dress, you want to make sure you have 4 pattern pieces. So I have my front and back and my skirt and my waistband. And in order to make these pattern pieces, you're going to need a fitted t-shirt and a skirt. Now, basically what I did was I used a previously made garment and I placed it on my pattern paper and traced around, adding seam allowance, and that's the same for the skirt and the waistband. Now if you don't know how to make a pattern by tracing around your garments, I do have a tutorial on that, and I'll leave the link at the bottom of the description bar. Okay, so for the front part of our asymmetrical dress, we want to do the cutout. So what I did was I freehand the curves here, and basically you want to fold it in half and then do 2 curves on both sides and figure out which one you want to go with. And I think I'm going to go with this one, so what I'm going to do is fold this in half. And you basically want to cut this out on the fold so both sides will be asymmetrical. So now that I have my front pattern cut out, it's time to work on the back. So what I'm going to do is lay my front pattern on top of the back, and I'm just going to do little tick marks where the cutout starts from the top. And you just want to do a straight tick mark, and then I'm going to take my ruler and where you mark it at, you just want to do a straight line, and you're just going to cut that out. So it's basically going to be like this. So this should be all the pattern pieces for this outfit, and you want to make sure that your skirt pattern part is below your knees, and other than that, it's time to cut the fabric out. Okay, so this should be your pieces cut out. You got your front and back top together, and you got your skirt pieces pinned together or right sides together, and as well as the waistband. So we're just going to sew along the sides here, and I'm going to show you guys the next step. Alright, so I have everything all sewed together, and you also want to make sure that you fold this over and hem this part, as well as the neck hole and the armhole. So what I'm going to do now is my waistband. So I have it here, and I'm basically folding it, and I'm going to attach it here. So it'll be just like this. And lastly, you just want to take your top and just put that backwards just like this, and you want to attach it and make sure that it's attached to the middle of the waistband, and you just want to pin everything together. So I have everything pinned together. I have my top attached to my waistband and skirt, and it's all pinned around, but there is one last step. So you want to make sure you have the bottom hem, but also once you have the bottom hem, all you're going to do is take the bottom of your skirt and just bring one side up, and that's going to go in between the waistband and the skirt itself. Alright fashionistas, so this is the official look for this outfit, and I suggest when doing the bottom part for the skirt, the wider the better, the longer the better, because it makes it drape more at the bottom. So this is the back of the dress, and I did shorten the bottom a little bit. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment area, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I'll see you next week for a new tutorial. Bye!